He's so cute. Niminitiwar. Oh wait, she speaks English, doesn't she? Dalika, stroke the dog. Stroke the dog.
Dog.
Oh. Do you like dogs?
Dog.
Yeah, he's a good boy. Very good boy.
That is a good tree house, isn't it, man? That is a real big tree house. That is a big tree. Woo! Wow. Eat! Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Wow.
Yeah.
That is kind of like a yoga.
Oh, it's like a meditation yoga.
Kind of relaxing,
sort of
really. Yeah. You're not supposed to tramp on there with your big dirty feet, mate.
Oh yeah, this is cool. Yeah, boy.
It's kind of cool up in a big tree. It's really good.
So they've been nice enough to invite us into their little tea house. Look how lovely this is.
Just small amounts, yeah. But through like Taobao or
these cups. Black tea, 10 out of 10.
So we're at this, it's kind of their house and workshop basically. It's a young couple, this woman here and her husband, and they make by hand all these kind of cups and pots, and they're all kind of very sort of unique one-offs, I guess, because obviously made by hand, no two are the same. And I asked them how they sell these, and I asked did they sell them through Taobao. He says no, they don't sell them through Taobao. They have a number of collectors in China who collect pots and cups and things, and they sell to collectors. They basically fire their pottery 3 to 4 times a year, and they sell it all to collectors, and they normally sell out of everything they fire. Something like this costs about 3,000 RMB, but averagely the teapots are around 2,000 RMB, and the cups maybe 200 to 300.
Quite familiar with the tea culture now, aren't we, mate?
We are. I kind of like it actually.
They don't fit the typical look of people who would do this, do they? Yeah, like young outgoers. Yeah. Yes, big man. How's that tea then?
Man, this is really, really cool. I think this cups is kind of
yeah, that's what I was thinking. The cups are kind of rustic and cool, aren't they?
cool taster, by the way. I'm not a big tea drinker.
Did they meet
I
at
can
college?
sip on this for quite a while.
I was saying in England, the British are known for being tea drinkers, right? But there's like a whole, it's just like slap a cup of tea together in about a minute and just get it down, yeah. Whereas here, there's a whole ritual to it.
Behind it,
yeah, which is nice. It's kept its culture for many, many years.
So they met in pottery college.
Oh right.
Obviously they had a romance that blossomed, and then they were so into making pots they turned it into kind of a cottage industry. It's not commercial, their stuff is very small, limited quantities.
Now this family have got the cutest little dog, and I miss playing with dogs. 它的名字是什么？
Hummer.
Hummer. Hello mates. Ooh, don't lick the camera. So, no problem. Hello mate.
So this is a traditional kiln, and they're using a traditional wood kiln. So pretty much anybody who's doing e-commerce now will use like gas or electric kilns, but these are using a traditional wood burning kiln. Basically, when they fire the clay pots, right, this has to burn for 3 days to get up to the right temperature. And because it's a traditional wooden kiln, you have to keep obviously feeding it with wood. So they have to get up through the night to keep putting wood on the kiln. You know,
That's mad, isn't it?
He doesn't get any sleep for a while when they're firing, I guess, because he has to keep waking up, coming down here and putting wood onto the kiln.
That is proper old style, isn't it, man?
They take it in turns, the husband and wife, because they have to add wood between every 10 and 30 minutes.
What?
For 3 days.
Holy moly.
The temperature gets to 12 or 1300 degrees, and then they have to leave it at that temperature for about 10 hours to fire the pots. So there's all his fuel. That's all his fuel along there. All that wood.
I almost can't believe there's someone like so. They're young and trendy, and they're doing this. It just seems like such a character, but it's so cool. It's cooler because of that.
Now, what's cool is that they're keeping alive a very traditional, like, craft.
Yeah.
Because, like, there's probably not many made like this anymore.
No,
it's
way.
Probably all made in factories, in gas and electric kilns. And I guess that's why they have collectors that buy them, because they
do
want
it in
that
this way.
traditional. And I bet no two are the same, because they're made by hand. Every single one will be unique, I guess. So it's really interesting.
In the city, we're used to running around and, you know, competing against each other, and oh, I had a bad day at work and all this. These guys are literally chilling in, just look at the surroundings they're in. There's no one around. I mean, there's a few houses over there, but so peaceful. You can hear all the sounds of nature, and they don't have much stress. They make a few pots and do their passion, and what a way to live at that age as well.
So there is another video from the Barrett channel, Pottery and Tea. If you like this video, give us that thumbs up. If you like the channel, hit that subscribe button. But as always, for now, take care.
Catch you later.